Hello, Polly's Best for UK here. Happy midweek and welcome to another video. So today we're looking at a game called Moonstrike. Now this is a game I've never played before, it's a Spectrum game. Let's have a look at this one. So we've got interface 2 selected already, keyboard, Kempson joystick or AGF or cursor joystick. I've never actually saw a cursor joystick. Was that actually a cursor joystick or is it just cursor keys? I can't even determine that. But yes, this is Moonstrike. So let's have a look at this. So let's start the game. I'm running this on a 128K machine. So let's start the game here. Right, here we go. Okay, so this is Moonstrike. This seems to have its inspiration from maybe Xevious with the plus, like the crosshair. Oh, you fuck. Is that a happy smiley face there? Yeah, just see it there. Happy smiley face there. Okay, yep, so we've got monochrome style graphics. No real colour in the game. There's a bit of colour on the HUD on the side, but that's about it. Your spaceship is quite slow to control, so you're going to have to be quite crafty with dodging the bullets. That's as slow as it goes to the left, that's as slow it goes to the right. Oh my god, the face is shooting bullets as well. I don't know if you can speed up with pair ups maybe. We have got AY music and beeper sounds simultaneously mixed, which is cool for the age of the game. Oh you fuck, that's very difficult actually. At least you get to start from where you left off, which is good. You're kidding me. Right, okay, so let's try this again. Right, okay, so if you hold down and press fire at the same time, you shoot a bomb downwards. I've just figured that out. So let's try that one here. That's a bit awkward though. Yeah, I got one, but it's a bit awkward. A bit awkward to do that. Right, let's try and get these guys here. Whoa, straight. The stray bullets always get you, it's really difficult. That's really difficult to shoot them bombs downwards. I'm going to shoot that face. Have some of that. Oh, I missed him. But yeah, graphics are okay. They've got some nice... For fuck's sake. I was going to say they've got some nice detail in the environment. There's no colour like I said, but it doesn't look too bad for a monochrome experience. It wouldn't look too out of place on a black and white TV, which a lot of you might have had back in the 80s anyway. Colour TVs were very expensive. I mean, even for the main TV, a lot of people had the black and white. You just had to like sort of use your initiative where the colours would be. Don't know if the game was ever released on other formats. I'm not sure. I've never heard of the game before. I think it's definitely got a bit of inspiration from Xevious. I'm trying to shoot that face, but it doesn't seem to do much. Maybe you can't shoot them. Right, are you booner? It's really difficult. Right, I'm just going to fire at well. Fuck off, that didn't do any good. This is really difficult, it's solid. You can't shoot the smiley face, but he can shoot you unfortunately. There we go, we got that flower thing. Is this supposed to be on the moon? Is that a light bulb? Weird. Oh you fuck! That's really difficult, that game is. So on that note, yeah, that was Moonstrike on the ZX Spectrum. I'm going to give that one a nice 7 out of 10. It's just extremely difficult. It says break total system reset bottom. Shall we try it? Let's press break, see what it does. Okay. Yeah, that's what it wasn't lying, was it? Plays a nice little tune and then it goes into a reset. Is there any program behind it? No, there isn't. What about if I randomise? How do you get this? Oh, I can't remember how to get USR on. But yeah, that's a Moonstrike on the ZX Spectrum. Goodbye! And have a pleasant Wednesday evening.